Guys, here with the Nugsmasher IQ, and you know, want to really let all the alchemists and extractors know out here how easy it is to get exact material PSI. You know, and you can digitally measure that with the Nugsmasher IQ, completely configurable as you go, ramp mode and decarb. But today I just want to go through surface area and how very important it is, and to show you how you can operate the Nugsmasher IQ and how you can put a little bit more pressure, a little less on it as the extraction goes. You can add a little bit more time, a little less time as you're going. But it all starts really with the exact surface area size that you're going to put between the plates. So we're going to go to the master extractor screen here, and you know, depending on what we're going to do, especially if you're a hasher out there, we want to measure the end surface area size. So that end surface area size, you know, picture whatever you're putting inside of it, that brick at the end is what we want to measure. I believe our hash bags are 2.6 wide, and you know, if you're doing a decent one, you're doing 3.5 at least. So that's probably 60 grams or something like that, that size. But anyway, that'll calculate the surface area. So a lot of times they'll wrap those in a 12 by 12 sheet, slide them in a 37 micron 14 or X bag, and then, or you can put them in a 25 micron hash bag that we have, which is about the same size too, but whatever. So, you know, just a general size of a hash extraction, that gives you, or any extraction, that gives you a general surface area. So now you know what the actual material pounds per square inch you're applying to the product is. And that's so very important. So, you know, at this point, we've just got 100 material PSI programmed on our surface area. So we're just going to hit start and go to 100. And currently we have 1 minute programmed in. And I'm going to show you, once it hits 100, the minute will start cranking down. Has high speed, it goes up until it slows down for your to build the material PSI here, as you can see it, and then it builds really slow. Impossible to do with a manual hand over hydraulic pump. So the timer started, but you know what, we want 5 minutes on it because it's a hash extraction here, so that's going to reset to 5. And then our material PSI, we want it to grow. We can just turn it up here, and you know, to whatever, by the each individual material PSI, to apply that exact pressure. So if you have a flow, you know, something that's really flowing, as it's flowing and products being displaced from the plates, this will take up the void and apply that even pressure. That is, guys, I'm telling you, absolutely impossible to do with a manual over hydraulic unit. I know all you know, you got a lot of old timers out there saying bullshit, you know, there's not possible, but it most certainly is. I'm telling you, the fine pressure that you get out of the IQ and the adjustments that you can make on the fly really makes this machine a hasher's dream. So just my 2 cents, guys, and I know that the Nugsmasher app is going to, you're going to have a remote capability with this in the near future. So, you know, I know that those of you like the plates lower, don't want this covered by your parchment. So I've heard it all. You know, you'll be able to control your screen via your Nugsmasher app. So that's coming in a near update. Look for that, which also has terp files on it. And if you guys are new to the Nugsmasher app, you got to go down and get that. It's free. It's on the Apple Store or the Google Android store. You can download it on either. And it's basically a free app that has terp files on it. It has a calculator tool for the XP and the Pro, the manual gauge units, but it has terp files on it, guys. Also has a timer on it, and right, the yield calculator, right? Yield calculators, yeah, we brought it back.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, yeah, we brought it back by popular demand. So anyhow, it's a great app, it's free, and it keeps growing, but the best thing about it is terp files, guys. It's this amazing portion of the app that you can log into, and it's really the main portion of the app. But you can log into it and put in what strain you're smashing. You can show before and after the results, yield percentage. You can put notes in it and reference it, and then you can look at what everyone else is doing as well in the community and see what they're having luck with. And that app actually, the capability of that's growing as we speak. We're making it more of a forum so people can talk back and forth and whatnot on it, which you know, a lot of our customers out there are wanting. So really exciting stuff, but I wanted to run through surface area with you guys and how you can absolutely finite the amount of pressure that you want to put on your extractions with the Nugsmasher IQ, and then do it all automatically. So you know, that's all I have for now. Later we'll go more into depth on the ramp mode, which is absolutely just a tidbit on the ramp mode. You basically can put in a start pressure and end pressure, like hash for instance. You can put a start temperature and an end temperature in, and then a duration. And it's gonna ramp those two things evenly, divide them over that amount of time, and change them as you move up. That's how the extraction will end. That's how it'll start, and it'll do it over that amount of time. So you can do some amazing things with that mode, which we have the isolate mode within, which is great. Really super simple to make isolates. I've done a couple videos on it, 3 or 4 I think now. The machine just gives you isolates out of, you know, we've been making it out of old rosin that's laying around that's not, you know, particularly that great. Maybe some dried out stuff or something else, you know, but turn it into isolate that's just dynamite. So anyhow, Nugsmasher IQ, I can't say enough about it. I'm so proud of this machine. It really, really works. Backed by our lifetime warranty, 7-day-a-week customer support, guys. Until next time.